Is the Verity AI mod in Minecraft giving you silent responses, API error messages, or ignoring your voice commands? Without a connected Grok API key or proper keybinds, the mod can't communicate with its servers. Let's get your AI companion talking again in under a minute. Hit subscribe and let's fix it. For configuring your Grok API key, open Mod Config. Press Escape, click Mods, select Verity, and tap Config. Now open AI Settings. Look at the top of the menu bar and click AI Settings. Now open your web browser and go to console.grok.com. Sign in, click Create API Key, complete verification, and copy your key. Now return to Minecraft, paste the key, and set provider to Grok. Then select your preferred AI model and click Done to save configuration. For fixing microphone controls and limits, press Escape, go to Options, select Controls, and click Keybinds. Now scroll down the keybind list until you reach the Verity section. In-game, press M to cycle through and select your correct microphone. Then hold V to speak directly to Verity using your voice. And for 429 rate limit errors, open AI Settings and turn Use Native TTS on. And just like that, your Verity AI companion is fully functional and ready to chat in your Minecraft world. If this troubleshooting guide got your mod working today, please smash that subscribe button for more Minecraft guides. Drop a comment if you run into any errors, and I'll see you next time.